If you thought you could retire at 40 and chill, think again. It's probably going to be very different. Especially if you're in your 30s or 40s now, you could expect to work well into your 80s. Why is that? I'll tell you in just a bit. But first, do hit that link and subscribe to the Never Too Late channel. Done? Great. So here's why you can expect to work well into your 80s. For one, humans, that is you and I, are living longer. 78 years is the average human lifespan. 2 out of every 10 Indians could expect to celebrate their 100th birthday by 2050, and one of these could be you. And it's obvious, right, that if you're living longer, you need more money. Say you're spending around a lakh per month right now. By 2050, you would need 4.5 lakh rupees per month to support that very same lifestyle. Now go and check your savings. Do you have enough? But say you do have enough money, you've been investing consistently, great. But what will you do to stay engaged? Did you know that those who retire after 65 years of age have a 43% less risk of developing dementia? So that's a choice you'll have to make. You live longer, you will have to work for a longer time. It could be to make some more money, it could be to keep yourself engaged, it will be to keep your brain healthy. But don't worry, the future of work is not going to be a 9 to 5 grind. In fact, it could be better. It could mean working fewer days a week or fewer hours a day. It could also mean having many careers instead of just one. Juggling multiple responsibilities, that could be a new normal. Vacations and holidays, you could take plenty of that too. And best of all, you could set your price for the expertise that you bring to the table. Sounds great, right? But to get there in your 60s, you will need to start working, start planning towards that in your 30s and 40s. Want to know more? You can get all the details in the latest edition of Never Too Late, from how your work life will change to how to plan for it. It also contains a list of resources to help you find those gigs after 60. So you know what to do, right? Make sure you hit that link, read the article, and use those resources to plan your second innings after 60. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to Never Too Late. See you around.